Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video we're going to do another healthy hair routine, and I'm going to show you guys how I've been achieving my perfect perm rod set step by step. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get my hair nice and shiny, nice and bouncy, nice and curly, nice and y'all see the results, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So before I get into the shower, real ones know that I always do a pre-shampoo treatment. So for today's pre-shampoo treatment, I actually tried out some DIY products for the first time. I was nervous. I was super nervous. So I got in the kitchen, I got in the lab, and I decided to make some flaxseed gel from scratch. I'm going to do a separate video showing you guys exactly how I make these products step by step. But this is flaxseed gel that I made from scratch. And I also made a mixture of aloe gel and coconut water. So these are going to be my two pre-shampoos for today's wash day. I usually use the African Pride pre-shampoo, but something in my mind told me like, girl, maybe you should try to make it yourself, see what it's hitting for, because it's literally just the ingredients. Like, it's just the flaxseed, it's just the coconut water, it's just the aloe leaf, and y'all, these two treatments did my hair justice. It did my hair justice. The moisture, the curl definition, the shine. It did such a great job prepping my hair for wash day. So if you guys are in need of pre-shampoo treatments and you want to try making things yourself, or you're open to the idea of making products yourself, I'm telling you guys, these two products, chef's kiss. And also they do have properties to help your hair grow, to help with curl definition, to help with overall health of your hair. So if you guys have never tried the African pre-shampoo before, make sure you guys try it out. It's $5 at Target. And then if you guys are open to making hair products yourself, then definitely try making the flaxseed gel and then the aloe leaf and coconut water mixture. I will show you guys step by step how I make them on my YouTube shorts, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So I went ahead and applied both of these treatments throughout my hair. And y'all, the shine, the curl definition, everything about this, I was 1000% here for it. So I went ahead, look at the curl, like, excuse me, hello, get into the program. So I went ahead and wrapped my hair up and allowed this treatment to sit in my hair for about an hour before I went ahead and rinsed it out. I have left this in overnight as well, so that's another option too. But y'all, my hair loves this combination. I rinsed it out and immediately curls were popping. Hair was nice and moisturized. Like, oh my God, it just felt so good. And I also feel like it did a great job cleansing my scalp because I did have a lot of product built up from the previous week. And immediately after I rinsed this pre-treatment out, my scalp just felt rejuvenated. So we're going to go in with our shampoo now. I'm using this TGIN sulfate-free shampoo. This is honestly one of my favorites. And I love this shampoo because it does a great job cleansing my hair without stripping my hair of its natural nutrients. It does everything for me. As I mentioned, it is sulfate-free. I highly recommend this TGIN shampoo. It's honestly one of my favorite shampoos. And after I shampoo my hair, this is what my hair is looking like. Curls are bouncy. I told y'all this shampoo right here will get you all the way together. Look at the hair. It has weight. It has a volume. Like, it looks so good and it feels so amazing. And my scalp is nice and clean. So after I shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and condition. I have slowly but surely been becoming a conditioner girly. Those who don't know, I have never been like into conditioners. But this Fenty here, the Rich One hair conditioner, baby, it changed my whole perspective about conditioners in my wash day routines. This conditioner smells amazing. It has the Fenty Hair Complex, which basically has, I believe, protein in it. So I don't use this conditioner often. I probably use this like once a month. And after I apply it to my hair, I'm going to detangle using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And baby, the slip that this conditioner gives you, Yeah, it's so good. Like, I hope Fenty Hair makes a conditioner kind of like without protein so that I could use it each and every wash day, because their hair products, chef's kiss. Look at the hair. Look at the length. Get into it. So after I did one side, I went ahead and just did the other side. My hair has been growing so much, and I feel like a major contributor to my hair growing at such a rapid speed has been me being consistent with my wash day routines. Like every Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, I know one of those days are reserved for wash day. And throughout the week, I make sure to re-moisturize my hair. I don't just depend on the products that I use to achieve my style. I either go in and spray some rosemary water on my hair, or I'll go ahead and refresh my twist out or refresh my wash and go, and just making sure that I'm giving my hair constant moisturization throughout the week. You want to make sure that your hair is never dry, never ashy, always blessed, and always moisturized, okay? I'm going to go ahead and detangle my whole head. This brush right here, if you have natural hair, you need it. Y'all see it going to work, period. But after I went ahead and applied the conditioner throughout my hair, I went ahead and rinsed it out. And immediately after rinsing this out, my hair smells amazing. Number one, it smells like the most perfect tropical vacation. And number two, curls are popping. Hair is nice and moisturized. We love it here. We love it here. Fenty hair care. Of course, I have to put in a deep conditioner. I deep condition my hair once a week. Every wash day, you gotta hit it with a deep conditioner. Like every wash day, you have to use a deep conditioner. So my deep conditioner of choice for today is the Fenty Hair Deep Conditioner. As I told you guys throughout the past few months, I have been loving this deep conditioner. I'm literally almost done with it because it's that good. I love this deep conditioner because one, a little bit of it goes a long way. It does such a great job coating my hair and instantly adding moisturization to my hair. When I do this deep conditioner, I leave it in my hair for 15 minutes and then I rinse it out. Just like the other like wash day Fenty hair products, this product has protein in it. So I don't keep products with protein in my hair for long, or I don't use them often. So as I mentioned, I keep this in for 15 minutes and then I went ahead and rinsed it out. And now we're out of the shower and we are about to start styling this hair, baby, okay? So today I decided to do a perm rod set because I've been rocking this a lot recently, and I don't think it's fair that I haven't gave you guys a tea on how I have been achieving my perm rod sets. So the foam or mousse that I'm using to do this perm rod set is from TGIN. I will have all of these products linked down below as well. But I go ahead and coat my hair with the mousse, and I'm going to detangle my hair from ends to roots using my Cantu brush. The perm rods of choice today are these orange ones. You want to make sure that the perm rods that you are using complement the length of your hair, and the orange ones work perfectly for the length of my hair right now. I'm going to roll it up and twist it twice at the root before strapping the perm rod on top of my hair. So some tips on achieving a perfect perm rod set, because I have never been good at perm rod sets, okay? I used to intentionally avoid perm rod styles because I could never get it right. So I would say some things that really have helped me perfect my perm rod sets is one, making sure that you generously, okay, don't be cheap, don't be stingy. Coat your hair with that mousse from roots to ends. You want to make sure that no part of your hair is dry or ashy. The mousse is going to dry, okay? It's going to dry, so make sure you coat your hair generously with your mousse of choice. When it comes to putting the perm rod in, you want to make sure that you start at your ends and you secure them, okay? Make sure they are laid on that perm rod before you start rolling it up. You also want to make sure that when you get to the roots, you twist it at least twice and make sure that the rubber band part of the perm rod sits on top of your hair and that the perm rod is nice and secure on the root. Sometimes before, I used to put it under and it would just be hanging like an ornament on a tree. That is not the right way. You want to make sure that you apply the rubber band part of the perm rod on top of your hair to make sure that the perm rod is nice and secure at the root, as you guys see that we are doing here. You also want to make sure that your perm rod set officially dries. I sleep with my perm rods in. I know I'm one of God's strongest soldiers. You don't get a good night's sleep when you have perm rods in. Nobody said that, but the hair is going to come out popping if you do it correctly and follow all of these steps. So those are some tips that I have been following to make sure my perm rod sets come out good. Your hair drying is honestly the most important part, because if not, your hair is going to be linky and you're going to be like, who this for? Who this for? Who is this for? So it does take a while to put the perm rods in. So I usually make sure that I have like a show or a phone conversation that's going to keep me company. As you guys are on your natural hair journeys, just like I am, I really want to encourage you guys to try different hairstyles. And my encouragement starts with me, right? So I want to start showing you guys different hairstyles that I'm trying in my type 4 natural hair. It doesn't matter what length your hair is at, you can do styles on your natural hair. This orange perm rod is great for my length of hair, but I remember back in the day, I used to use the yellow ones and the blue ones, which are a bit smaller. So they do come in different sizes, and I get my perm rods from my local beauty supply store, but they're also sold on Amazon as well. And I think that perm rods are honestly an easy style to just get it over with. They definitely take me less time than doing a twist out or wash and go in my hair. So I would highly recommend that you guys try a perm rod set in your natural hair and come back and report and let me know how it goes. I really hope that you guys seeing me do this video step by step helps you guys with your perm rod sets going forward, and also encourages you guys to try different natural hairstyles in your hair. So after I apply all of my perm rods, this is what my hair is looking like. Baby, I'm telling y'all, there's nothing comfortable about sleeping with perm rods in. Your neck is going to be on fire, your head is going to be on fire, but the hair is going to eat, okay? So the next day, I am ready to take my perm rods out now that my hair is fully dried after me getting my full 8 hours of rest. The face is B. I was actually going out this day and I was like, I know the hair is going to eat, so let me make sure the face eats as well too, okay? So first off, I just go ahead and take all of the perm rods down. I'm not manipulating my hair in any way at first. I'm just making sure all of the perm rods are out. And babes, look at the hair. Like, wow. I am honestly shocked that I finally figured out how to do some perm rods, y'all. So in order to take my hair down, I am taking each section and separating the hair where it naturally separates. And I'm twisting each piece of hair in my fingers to make sure that it keeps the coil that it got from the perm rod set. You don't want to leave your perm rods, in this full curl. It gives no, okay? You need to make sure you separate your hair after a perm rod set. That is the most important part of the takedown stage of this hairstyle. To separate my hair where it naturally separates, you guys see I'm just running my fingers from the roots to the ends and just allowing my hair to naturally separate. So after I take all of my perm rods down, separate my hair, which also takes a little while. You really have to be patient, y'all. Patience is key. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair is nice and voluminous. Like, oh my God, I am obsessed with the results of this hairstyle. And just like most other hairstyles, day 1 is cool, but day 2 eats down. So here is my perm rod set, the results of it. Hair is nice and shiny. And as always, I encourage you guys to remember that styling your hair starts from in the shower. So that's why I like to show you guys all of my steps from pre-wash up until styling, so you guys can see each product I use and how it works and contributes to my overall results. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also comment and let me know which other styles you would like to see me try with my type 4 natural hair, or which other products you guys would like to see me review. Leave it down below in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Outside tonight.